accepting and
Hello.
honoring our invitation. Welcome, Arun.
Hey, thanks, ma'am. It's my pleasure to come and join here this morning.
That's our pleasure that you joined us amidst your busy schedule. Thanks a lot for joining us today, Arun.
It's always a pleasure to come and present here. Yeah.
Thank you. Over to MOC.
A marvelous morning to one and all gathered here for this wonderful alumni webinar 2020. I'd like to invite our chief guest speaker for today's session, Mr. Arun Venkatesan, Vice President, Eximius India Private Limited. I heartily invite our beloved principal, Dr. R. Gopalakrishnan, KS Rangasamy College of Technology.
Mauli, Sonia.
Yeah, it is audible. Go ahead, Mom.
Because everybody is in their own places, we have small. Mauli? Voice is not audible, Mauli. Break அது.
Ma'am, now I clear?
Yes, Maulik, continue.
Yes.
I kindly invite Dr. K.B. Jayanti, our ever supportive head of the department, Electronic and Communication Engineering. I cheerfully welcome all the faculty members who made this webinar possible. Last but not the least, I happily invite all my fellow classmates for this marvelous webinar series. Once again, on behalf of the student, I thank all the faculty members for organizing this enlightening webinar series to enrich us during this lockdown crisis. Thank you.
To be inspired is great, but to be an inspiration is an honor. Now I call upon Ms. Dharanya, second year, to introduce the man of desire, dreams, and vision, our most valued guest, Mr. Arun Venkatesan, Vice President, India Private Limited. Thank you.
I deem it as a great honor to introduce Mr. Arun Venkatesan, who is an alumni of the 1996 to 2000 batch. He also holds a MS degree in microelectronics from Manipal University and Bachelor's of Engineering from University of Madras. From 2001, he worked as design engineer at Avent India, which is currently called Synapsys India Limited. He also worked as external software consulting engineer at Bordfield 2003. From 2004, he worked as design consultant in National Semiconductor and ST Microelectronics. He has over 19 years of experience in ASIC and physical design. He has spent close to a decade in the wireline division in Infineon Technologies, contributing at various levels in multiple network execution. He is currently the Vice President of Eximius, and prior to Eximius, he was welcomed as Senior Manager CPU Group, delivering high-speed CPU IPs for mobile. On behalf of the marvelous gathering, I consider it as a privilege and honor to welcome you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Dharanya. Now, the session is over to you, Mr. Arun. You can take
Thanks,
it
ma'am.
over.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. It's a great honor.
Good morning.
That I had an opportunity now to come and present this webinar series. By the way, a quick introduction about myself. The person right before me, whoever spoke, gave a detailed info about what I have done and how I have come all the way in the last 20 years. Maybe I'll switch over to a convenient mode of communication to start with. Now, 96 2000 batch KSR la ECE department la I did my engineering. 2000 I passed out. and as usual, went out on a job hunt, then got into a walk-in. Fortunately, got into the Savant. On the time it was called as FTDPL, who were setting up the offshore center for Avant. So we ended up getting into, not me alone. Enga class there were quite a number of people who have got into it. A couple of folks are in US now. Now I continued in India. There are other folks as well. Motama, we were close to 6 people from 2000 batch who started the career in the VLSI. Everybody is in different organization at different places. And from 2001, moved into, from then on, organization at different levels. We kept growing. And all of us are in different positions, holding different roles and responsibilities. எனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த கால் வந்தபோது காலேஜ்ல இருந்து மேம் கூப்பிட்டுருந்தாங்க. ஸோ ஷி செட் the college people all are feeling that the engineering community வந்து next work ன்னு போனாக்கா ஜாப்னு எடுத்தாக்கா it is only the software. The core domain is nobody is aware even we can pick and choose and set a career அப்படின்னு. So நான் இப்போ rather than talking about myself, நான் என்ன பண்ணேன், how I went into this, or what all I did specifically, அது வந்து it is more of irrelevant. இப்போ நான் அதுக்கு பதிலா I thought I'll share a quick presentation. Not going to bore you much on the technical front. Now in the industry என்னது, how this industry is running and what you people need to be aware of, enna pannanum, what is exactly that you need to know to get into this industry. Core domain is pretty interesting one to be on. 4 வருஷம் படிச்சிட்டு அதை அப்ளை பண்ணும்போது you start really enjoying about it. அந்த விஷயத்துல வந்து you can very well relate to the subject. Most of the time நம்ம engineering இல்லாட்டி even for that matter maths எல்லாம் படிச்சுட்டு இதெல்லாம் நம்ம எங்க அப்ளை பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னு யோசிச்சுட்டு இருப்போம், எதுக்கு படிக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னு யோசிச்சுட்டு இருப்போம். பட் கோர் டொமைன்ல when you keep your career going, you will realize that இதெல்லாம் நம்ம படிச்சது, I think we are applying everything here அப்படின்ற ஒரு realization is more and more you will feel it. That is the bigger advantage of being in the core domain. Software everyone can do. Core domain la irukanonu avasiyam illa. For that matter civil padichittum நம்ம software kulla polam. So the being in the core domain, it gives you a feeling and it gives you a connection towards a subject what you all through spent 4 years. Adha நம்ம வந்து அங்க we can really realize it. Maybe I'll just present quickly a presentation. Let me know if you can see my screen. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Not at Arun, I think.
So your slide not visible, sir.
Slide not visible, Arun.
1 minute. I'll quickly check. Is it now good?
Yeah, it's coming up.
Okay. It's a very simple slide I've come up with. I'm not going into details of technical know-how for VLSI. நான் என்னன்னு கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு நான் இங்க இல்ல. So let me be very clear. And I know நாங்க career ஆரம்பிக்கும் பொழுது when 20 years back VLSI was pretty much a new entrant for at least India. So it was நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்து it was very much new and there was not much of jobs outside as well as awareness outside. Ana that is not the case now. இப்போ நீங்க வந்து it is there in the curriculum. You will be aware of what to look into, என்னெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும், how to approach the entire industry. I think there is a good amount of awareness. At least நான் பார்க்கிறேன். I have gone into multiple colleges for the placement sales. People are actually having enough know-how. இருந்தாலும் I'm just going over what are all the opportunities lying in this field. So இது உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். If you plan something towards VLSI or you should plan. அப்படி பிளான் பண்ணும்பொழுது you should be aware of what all things that you should be knowing. என்ன தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும், அதுக்கு எப்படி you can approach it in a better way so that it becomes an easy way to get inside the core domain. Let me go over. இது first when it comes to
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, your browser is only sharing, sir.
Is the screen is not getting shared?
Yes, sir. In screen, your browser is getting shared, sir.
1 minute. I'll again share it. Is it good? Ipo?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can make it. Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good, Arun.
Okay. Let me go. Technical know-how, anyway, over a period of time, 4 வருஷம் படிக்கிறோம். So that we will have technical know-how in the domain குள்ள போறோம் அப்படின்னா we will spend some time அது பத்தி தெரிஞ்சிக்கிறதுக்கும் அது பத்தி படிக்கிறதுக்கும். But generally when we get into the industry, what I realized over a period of time, we need to have ஒரு 3 விஷயம். இந்த 3 விஷயம் whatever I have put it here, aptitude is one where first நமக்கு the domain we have to have that interest within ourselves. நமக்கு தெரியணும், is this the right thing to do? Do we have the interest in it? நமக்கு அது பிடிச்சிருக்கணும். அப்படி பிடிச்சிருக்கும் போது I think you will start doing a lot more well. என்னதான் விஷயம் technically, if you are having enough know-how, if your interest is not on it, ஆனா வேலை ஏதோ பண்ணணும், you have to get into some job to get into start earning உள்ள போகும்பொழுது I don't think we will really relate to the entire work what we are doing. அதை நான் வந்து I have seen people who have come into this core domain, but later over a period of time they feel like இது இல்லை என்னோட domain, I have to get out of it, rather I am pretty much comfortable with software or some other domain. So first we have to identify ourselves. அது நம்ம காலேஜ் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கும்போது for sure இப்போ என்ன கேட்டிங்கன்னா நீங்க இதெல்லாம் வந்து have you done all these things and then got into this job? No. நானும் உங்களை மாதிரி தான். There was no planning, no road map. கண்ணை மூடிட்டு தான் நானும் சுத்திட்டு இருந்தேன். And I just got into it. Fortunately, it happened so I built the interest over a period of time and I liked it I could able to further pursue. அதில் வந்து I can able to grow. ஆனால் அந்த அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டியும் அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சிங்க்ரனஸும் நமக்கு அமையிறதுன்றது வந்து இட் இஸ் நாட் தட் ஈஸி. நாட் எவ்ரி ஒன் வில் get that kind of an opportunity. For that matter, I want to relate என்னோடது where I am now, how I have come. I am blessed in a way. I have got a right set of people around me at every given point of time over a period of my career as well as throughout my academic time. So and I have got enough opportunity to come all the way up, and every opportunity which was given to me, I sincerely attempted to it. And the madri, there are enough capable, very good people will be there around in the market where they may not get the right opportunity. But then, we should be aware of what we are going to do. I was trying to put it across here as an aptitude. And the second thing is how we approach on a given opportunity, and what is நம்ம எவ்வளவு தூரம் அதுக்காக முயற்சி பண்றோம், what is the effort we are putting towards it, and what kind of attitude we have towards the particular work. அது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். When it comes to industry, the teamwork is a lot more important. தனி ஒரு ஆளா இங்க ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணிட முடியாது. And you have to individually, as an individual, நம்ம படிக்கும் போதோ இல்லாட்டி ஈவன் ஒரு வெளியில வந்த போதும், you might be a very very successful individual personality. உங்களுக்கு ஸ்கூல்லையும் சரி காலேஜ்லையும் சரி, you would have excelled really well as a person. Ana when it comes into the industry, adu mattum pathadu. I think we should have an attitude to see how we can effectively help each other. Industry kulla varumbodho, and even for any job for that matter, we should be having the willingness to teach people. Adu venu, adu professor ah da irukanonu avasiyam illa. I think on any domain, on any work we take, namak and attitude irukano. So that is pretty much important. And last but not least, the communication. Idan na realize pannadundrathu vandu very late in the game. College padikumbodhu, I think there were seminars they used to conduct. Enakku still I can remember where present பண்ண சொல்லுவாங்க கிளாஸ்ல. You have to come and present a paper, or you have to come and present or topic about it. கை கால்லாம் உதறும். முன்னாடி உட்காந்துருக்கிறது என்னமோ நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் தான், 40 பேர் தான், டெய்லி அவங்களோட தான் போவோம் வருவோம். we will be having fun with them. பட் சடனாக கூப்பிட்டு முன்னாடி நின்று பேசு அப்படின்னாக்கா நம்ம I don't know, அன்னைக்கு the first time when they asked me, it was a very nervous situation. So we have to come out of it, and the communication it's pretty important as we grow. Innonu solluvaanga, you don't need to learn English. English is only a mode of communication. It's not so. It's very very diversified. Another, we should have some kind of a basic skill developed over a period of time. And the madri கூப்பிட்டு பேச சொல்லும் போதெல்லாம் we have to grab the opportunity. கை கால் நடுங்கும், உதறும். Just to give an example, now for first job join பண்ணிட்டு, and I got laid off after first job. It was 2001 end. அதுக்கப்புறம் I came back. Then அடுத்து திருப்பி it was a recession time. அடுத்த வேலை கிடைக்கல. So I started preparing. சரி இந்த வாட்டி கேட் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணலாம், அதை பண்ணலாம், இதை பண்ணலான்னுட்டு I was back in home. அதுக்கப்புறம் one of our friend வந்து ஈரோட்லயே started a VLSI institute. So the VLSI institute is a franchisee unit. College எல்லாம் போயிட்டு they want to marketing, they want to do a marketing, they want to present that ட்ரைனிங் இன்ஸ்டியூட். ஸோ என்ன வந்து ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ண சொன்னாங்க. நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போனது கொங்கு இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ். I went there, I started my presentation about the franchisee and about the similar kind of ஒரு presentation எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டு I just started presenting. I have to talk about the VLSA, what I have done, and then what this course is going to make a difference in everybody's life. So நான் கிரவுண்டில் ஓடி இருந்தால் கூட அவ்வளோ வேத்து போயிருக்குமான்னு தெரியாது. On that day it was sweating like a pig. அவ்வளோ பயம், பேச முடியல. The words are not coming out even though I prepared and went. So அது we have to come out. நான் எதுக்கு இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றேன்னா, I think we have to come out of it. We have to start putting ourselves into a situation, எல்லா difficult situationலையும் during the time when we are in college. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா we have to build that. இந்த மூணு when we start doing it, I think even though you have a gap on the technical side of it, you'll get it over. நம்ம present பண்ற விதமும் when we communicate in a better way, I think we make a lot of difference. அது வந்து it gives a confidence to the other person whom you are interacting with, and also உங்களுக்கே ஒரு கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் கொடுக்கும். I think yes, we are doing good அப்படின்றது வந்து time and again it will give. So it's pretty important on having this soft skill. இப்போ I want to put it across. என்னடா VLSI technical அது இதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு I started doing something towards soft skills. I think what I learned over a period of time in order to grow, these are pretty much important at any given point of time. அதனால தான் I stress upon this, right? Let me move on to the So on the technical side, what exactly we need to know. VLSI industry, you should be aware of. It's a very wide and broad industry, but basically தெரிஞ்சிக்க வேண்டிய விஷயங்கள் is only the core digital design. I think third semester, fourth semester is where we pretty much spend more time for the VLSI industry. அந்த மோரிஸ் மோனா புக்கும் இந்த சர்க்யூட் தியரிக்கு நம்ம படிச்ச ஈவன் ஃபார் தட் மேட்டர் நாகர்கோவிலேருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு we need to go all the way. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் தான் வந்து இட்ஸ் a basic building block to get into this domain. Digital design is pretty important. இதை தவிர you need to it will be good to have a know-how of the application specific design. என்ன அப்ளிகேஷன் ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா அப்படின்னாக்கா, என்ன மாதிரி இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்கு we are making the IC chipsets. For example, mobile illathi it is for going for a network processor, or is it going for a CPU, or is it going for any AI related, machine learning related, or is it going for any automotive. So adukku undana design specifica if we are aware of, that's going to give a very big added advantage. For example, day to day you would have seen about USB or interface irukku நம்ம லேப்டாப்ல. There is a PCIe interface, there is a HDMI interface. So in the interface la என்னது ஏது, I think if you have some know-how about it, it gives us a bigger push. அது வந்து it's a added advantage. It's pretty much on the very basic technical skills. நம்ம second year, third year I think we will not even realize why at all in the digital design நான் எங்க கொண்டு போய் என்னத்த பண்ண போறானு. But this is where the real technical know-how realize. நமக்கு பேசிக் ஒழுங்கா தெரிஞ்சது அப்படின்னா இது வந்து it is a very நான் ரியலைஸ் பண்ணதே வந்து இட்ஸ் டூ லேட். ஏன்னா என்ஜினியரிங் பண்ணும்போது there was absolutely no clue. There are people who had lot of clue, who have put in lot of effort. அதனால I am not an example for how I have to, or neither right person to teach you how you have to prepare towards. But என்னன்னா what I have not done is what I am trying to tell you now. What I have done very late in my career. In the digital design, circuit theory and all, நான் ஜாப்குள்ள வந்து 1 year முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் when I got my first layoff, that is when I started really looking deep into all these data. இந்த அதனால வந்து என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா, there were people where I would have done something differently, but then I happened to do it little late in the game. There's nothing wrong about it. I'm not feeling bad about it, but இது தெரிஞ்சு ரியலைஸ் பண்றதுக்கு லேட் ஆகிறதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு இட்ஸ் குவைட் right time இப்போ to put in effort to understand all these things towards the industry specific, right? என்ன மாதிரி opportunities இருக்கு இந்த domainல? So you will be already knowing RTL, what is RTL, Verilog, VHDL, and this is one domain. This they call it as broadly இதை எப்படி டிஃபைன் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, there is a front end and there is a back end. The front end is the work where we generally put in effort on the design know-hows and the design verification. So RTL designing, அதுக்கு தான் வந்து we need that application specific knowledge இருந்ததுன்னா பெட்டரா இருக்கும். So that is on the RTL side. On the other side of this, அதை வெரிஃபை பண்றதுக்கு where we write the codes on the RTL and then verification. இது ரெண்டும் I think you will be doing it in your course itself, or I know 20 years back இதெல்லாம் வந்து it was there already in the curriculum. So now I think it should be there and you will be on top of it. Rather எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கிறதுக்கு உண்டான வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. The next thing is physical design. This is where I am right now. This is where we have a lot of work that is getting done out of India. RTL design verification la வந்து earlier it was much scope இருந்தது. இப்போ it has shrunk ஏன்னா இப்போ எல்லாமே off the shelf work இருக்கிறதுனால. So இப்போ the current industry la what is maximum what is being done is in this domain. ஆனா the physical design la வந்து as a fresher what you need to know is not what I have listed here. உங்களுக்கு சிந்தசிஸ் பண்ண தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும், இல்லை பிளேஸ் அண்ட் ரவுட் பண்ண தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும், பவர் அனாலிசிஸ் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும்ன்ற அவசியம் இல்லை. பட் வாட் யூ ரியலி நீட் டு நோ இஸ் இந்த பவர் அனாலிசிஸ்க்கு பேசிஸ் இஸ் சர்க்கியூட் தியரி. ஸோ வி நீட் டு ஹாவ் தட் சர்க்கியூட் தியரி நோ ஹவ் ரியலி குட். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஸ்டாட்டிக் டைமிங் அனாலிசிஸ் அகெயின் இட் கம்ஸ், நம்ம வி வில் பி டூயிங் திஸ் இன் ஆர் இன்ஜினியரிங் கோர்ஸ்லையும் இருக்குது. ஸோ தட் இஸ் த நெக்ஸ்ட் திங் தட் வி நீட் டு பி ஆன் டாப் ஆஃப். அதுக்கப்புறம் you also have a domain called CAD and methodology. The CAD and methodology அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னா, in the VLSI domain everything runs in a software behind. அதெல்லாம் வந்து all the EDA tools which you will be aware of is done out of C and C++. So we also have a reference methodology in the how to follow the steps in order to get this done. So அதுக்கு we have to have some kind of programming languages which you need to aware of. Other and followed by there is always a found, நம்ம பண்ணி முடிச்ச GDS2 basically when we do the entire IC designing, the physical design முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் we call it as tape out, and the GDS2 goes to the foundry to get the mask preparation followed by the IC manufacturing, right? So on the process there is a support system in place in the industry. That's again another vertical that runs. And in the work வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்னா, you have to interact with the design team and the foundry team. This is one another work area which eventually you will not get into this as a fresher. இது வந்து people will get into this only through over a period of getting into the organization. அதுக்கப்புறம் they get to chance to work on these areas, followed by layout and mask design. You should be very much aware of circuit layout. Already you will be having this also as a part of your curriculum. So this is a bigger work that happens in this industry. Circuit design, again it's a very basic where you have to have the complete op amp or the basic circuit theory or the CMOS, all these things. Idhileyum you have lot of என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா core work area. For example, ரொம்ப niche இருக்கும், where you will get a position to do only the ESD analysis. So this comes only when you get into the industry and then you start. So உங்களுக்கு இதுக்கெல்லாம் முன்னாடியே whether you need to have a know-how, not required. It is this circuit design வந்து it is very much if you are aware of what you are studying in the engineering second and third year is good enough. அதே மாதிரி there is another area where it is a library development where you will be working on again circuit though, but it is pretty much supporting the entire ecosystem, like how do you build a IO library, how do you build a memory, how do you build a standard cell. So this is the next domain area which people can look forward to. And FPGA is a wide, broad area. It also has a lot of sub scope of work that can be defined. இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் the basis is to understand the circuit and the CMOS. அதுக்கப்புறம் if you are very much interested about doing Verilog, VHDL, RTL, அந்த இதில் interest இருந்ததுன்னா I think you should start more putting effort on these areas. Now I'll just go over some of little more details on this. RTL verification in the domain la நம்ம போகணும் அப்படின்னா it's too early for you to decide second yearliyo third yearliyo to go into any of these verticals. அதுக்கு வந்து even to understand what exactly to do, it might be a little difficult to choose the career path on which way you have to go. But we can always prepare ourselves towards it. What I can put it across here, எல்லா காலேஜ்லயும் I think we have the EDA tool suits with one of these vendors. Synopsys tool இருக்கும், இல்லாட்டி Cadence tool இருக்கும், or else you will have some mentor tools, educational version இருக்கும். I think already you will be doing RTL and verification. அதுக்கு வேண்டிய the know-how should be coming from VHDL, Verilog, System Verilog, C, System C. So if you are going towards this RTL and verification area of unknown interest, I think they should concentrate more on these areas. Physical design, your know-how remains on the EDA tool. If you have the tool suite in the college, and my advice would be just run over the tool, understand the entire methodology and the flow. Adukku background, I think you should have these regular scripting languages which you should be aware of. Either you should start practicing. You can start at any point of time. The Tcl, Perl, Shell, Unix, all these things. I think adila you should spend time right in the beginning of the career. This becomes too handy. உள்ள போகும்போதே இது தெரிஞ்சது அப்படின்னா it gives a notch up to the rest of the people or the crowd, right? And it's all now, it is automation, nothing more, nothing less. It is going to be a lot more. And now the talk of the town, the AI, machine learning, even the VLSI sector is completely getting into a lot more automation. So automation, again, the background are pretty much coming with all your scripting skills. So in order to survive and to be on top of things, இதெல்லாம் நீங்க upfront பண்ணிட்டு வர்றது வந்து gives an edge for anybody. CAD and methodology, இது வந்து it's the reference or the methodology that we build in order to do the entire execution. இதுக்கு வேண்டியது முக்கியமா Python. So if you guys are aware of Python, this is the right time to jump into Python and learn Python. Python வந்து forget about VLSI industry. It's a very old scripting language which was dropped in between, and now it is back for all machine learning, AI. எல்லாத்துக்கும் வந்து இப்போ Python தான் வந்து ஒரு பேஸா இருக்கு. I don't know if people are aware of already and then everybody is working towards Python, it's well and good. But this is going to be the next wave of ஒரு டைம்ல ஜாவா and then suddenly it became C hash அப்படி இப்படின்னு வந்துட்டு போயிட்டு இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ இப்போ இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் the Python will rule for some time because of its efficiency. Wherever நிறைய இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் this is being used. So it's high time. நாங்கெல்லாம் வந்து when we started the career all we know is C and C++ was the mantra. அதை படிச்சுட்டு சாஃப்ட்வேருக்குள்ளே போன ஆட்கள் தான் ஜாஸ்தி. அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த டைம்ல இஃப் யூ ஆர் இன் கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் அந்த ஜாவா ஒன்று இருந்தது. அதே மாதிரி இப்போ ஐ திங்க் the Python is coming back. It's not a new one, it's a old one, but you should be aware of it. Circuit and mass design, உங்களுக்கு சர்க்கியூட் டிசைனிங்ல இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருந்தது, இஃப் people who are interested on the network and the network design, or if you have interest towards circuit theory or CMOS modeling, I think this is the field you should pick. இது வந்து it's again a very niche area, heavily technical work. நல்ல டெக்னிக்கல் ஆட்களா இருந்தாக்கா தீனி போடக்கூடிய இடம். ஸோ இதுல இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கவங்க ஐ திங்க் தே ஷுட் பர்சியூ. தேர் ஆர் லாட் ஆஃப் புக்ஸ் அவைலபிள். தேர் இஸ் நத்திங் டூலுக்கு வேலை இல்லைங்க. தேர் இஸ் ஈவன் தோ ஐ ரோட் தேர் ஆர் EDA டூல்ஸ் விச் யூ நீட் டு பி அவேர் ஆஃப், பட் யூ டோன்ட் நீட் டு. இதுதான் வந்து ஆக்சுவல் கோர் ஒர்க் வேர் யூ கேன் கண்டினியூ ஸ்டிக் ஆன் டு யுவர் வெரி பேசிக் கோர் டொமைன் அண்ட் கண்டினியூ. இது வந்து because of automation and all those things, maybe the entire other side of the world towards VLSI would have got into automized mode of execution. Circuit design la பண்ணவே முடியாது. It is only the human brain can come up with the best circuit that can be done with lot more efficiencies. அதனால people who have interest towards the circuit design, I think they should pursue this. Adukaprom the layout and mass design are pretty much lot of physical work involved, manual work involved. This is again circuit பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் அதை வந்து physically how to lay it out and get the mask drawn. This is another domain. I think lot of training centers are there for this. For the physical design also lot of training centers are there. College விட்டு வெளில வரும்போது I think you will have enough training institutes out here in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. ஆனால் நீங்கள் I think பிளைண்டாக போய் அங்கே உட்கார்றதை விட you should, if you have some basics upfront, it becomes a gateway for you to get into the industry really fast. These are all the companies that is there in Bangalore. Ipodiki, even now the market is really good for VLSI. A lot of work is moved to India from US for all obvious reasons. When we started the career, in the madri kadayadu. There were only couple of our companies that was there, and we were fortunate to get into this industry. Ipo, I think people have a lot more awareness about this skill set, and it's not that difficult to get inside. We have a lot of avenues to come in. So you have tons of training institutes out here, and if you have a very good basics, I think you can kickstart your career in a good way. Right? You have a very wonderful professors out there college la. Fortunately nalla padicha enoda kuda whoever were toppers were retained as professors. That was a great thing to happen, right? Not that valiye kadikala yarum vandu lectureship edukala. Their liking and their interest towards teaching profession made them a professor, and you have got wonderful people around, and The only thing is that having the right focus and எப்படி இந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்குள்ள வரணும்னு நான் சொல்றதை விட, I think there is another session you have tomorrow. I think that person will be the right person to tell you how you have to prepare yourself. And there are people who have worked towards it, who had an ambition to get inside. It's not that way I came in. Now I never had a vision or an ambition, which is not the right thing. For me, everything is a late realization, right? When I got into my first job, the first layoff taught me a lot. Adukapram I pulled myself back. Again, I went into the subjects. Tirupiyum I spent a year on, while I got into software domain, I pursued preparing myself for getting back into this VLS industry. I felt somewhere my interest lies in Ghana. So adukapram Tirupiyum, when I got back into the industry, it's not an easy cakewalk. We have to be technically competent. Ellarkum vela kedaikum, but for sure there is a big difference between the person who have the very strong foundation. I can see a real difference industry la varumbodhu. I have worked with people Infineon time frame la, they used to hire only people from BITS and interns coming from IITs. There is a marked difference the pasangalukkum what we are into abdin. Marked difference in the sense the way they approach the problem, what the exposure they get. We have enough opportunity. Idella illama illa, we have everything, but unfortunately our during ennoda college time la, I was not having that kind of vision to go towards it, right? So when we have that kind of an inclination to get into the industry and do things well, for sure we can excel in a very different way. Probably industry kulla ponapra, once I start looking at people and then started doing things differently. Adukapram I did my MS being on the job over the weekend. Appo kathikittadu nariyo than that of what I did during my engineering. Actually a couple of subjects I intentionally went and joined in order to get myself equipped. அது பண்ணணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. I think we can do it when the right time it is there. அப்பெல்லாம் பண்ணாம விட்டுட்டு லேட்டர் பண்ணும்போது I think it puts a pressure on us. The bigger difference is everybody can win. Ana when the right time, if they put the right effort, the path what we tread becomes really smooth. கஷ்டப்பட்டு பண்ணணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. அதுதான் difference we will get to see. அவனுக்கு பாட்டுக்கு there will be people who will doing it in left hand where நமக்கு ரெண்டு கையே பத்தாது போல இருக்குன்ற ஃபீலிங்ல நம்ம அங்க வேலை பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருப்போம். Wherein அதே worker that guy will be doing it in no time and then walking off. அதனால put in a lot more effort when in the right time, so that you'll get to see the difference only when you get into the career, be it any career for that matter. This is one of the realization I thought to share with you. If we do that, I think life will be easy. You will have a lot more time for doing your own other interest. Illana, I think we will be laptop கட்டி பிடிச்சிட்டு அப்படியே உட்காந்துருக்க வேண்டியது, வேலை பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும்ன்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். That makes a big difference in life. So that's about the industry. That's about how you can, which domain, what you can do in the VLSI. VLSI is a big sea. A lot of work is there. Getting into it is not a difficult thing, but the difference is now people are well aware about it. There is a lot of competition outside in the market. So better well-equipped prior before you knock the door of any company, it's better to be well equipped right up front, which gives you a big advantage for all of us, right? That's about it. Now, if you guys have any questions, if you want to know anything more, yeah, you can ask the questions.
Thank you, Arun. That was a good presentation. Tamil பேசிட்டீங்க. My all my students will be happy ன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். And it was really good. I'm just wondering, you remember all the names of the books, Nagurkani and everything, how your first presentation was. நல்லா இருந்துச்சு கேட்கும்போது. அந்த மொமெண்ட்டுக்கு போன மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. Hope it worked. Questions from the students?
I'm not sure whether, ma'am, you remember or not. Second year, third semester, you were taking electronic devices. So, உங்களோட first class, I think in the first session, you have asked for an assignment on Zener diode. இனி வரைக்கும் ஞாபகம் இருக்கு எனக்கு அது.
My
So that was
goodness.
the only one which I prepared throughout in the 4 year of engineering. That is the only assignment I put in a lot of effort to prepare. I gave it late, and அது ஒரே ஒரு அசைன்மெண்ட்டுக்கு மட்டும் தான் நான் வந்து I referred multiple books. அதுக்கப்புறம் I gave it. I think அது ஒன்று தான் நான் அந்த காலேஜ் படிக்கும் போது பண்ண ஒழுங்கான ஒரே ஒரு வேலைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் I never used to touch the book. But that puts me into a perspective where அதே effort, if it would have continued like other people what they did during my college days, it makes a lot of difference. So அதனால தான் I stressed upon the right time what needs to be used.
True.
Yep. Floor is open. Any questions?
Starting trouble, Prasang. Somebody has to start and then the questions start coming.
Even other way around, நானுமே அந்த சைடுல இருந்தா I would have done the same thing. Even now I do the same thing if I go for a seminar or anything.
Hi Arun, this is Vasanthi.
Hi Vasanthi.
Your session was nice and quite inspiring for the students.
Thank you.
என்ன எப்பவுமே வந்து போனதுலேருந்தே ஹையர் பொசிஷன்ல இருந்தோம் அப்படிங்கிறத விட ஒரு லே ஆஃப் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம எப்படி லைஃப்ல வந்தோங்கிறத யூ ஹவ் ரியலி inspire students with your speech and your learnings. Thank you.
It's not more about getting laid off, and the layoff put me back at least couple of years, in the sense திருப்பி you have to rewind the subject. Maybe படிக்கும்போது if you would have put the right effort, things would have been different, right? அதனால I just want to stress upon late realization தேவையில்ல. I think we can do the right thing at the right time. அதெல்லாம் நீங்க பண்ணிட்டீங்க அப்போ. So
not like that, but it was ஈவன் காலேஜ் டேஸ்ல எல்லாருமே அப்படிதானே அருண், ரொம்ப அப்படியே புக் வச்சு எல்லாரும் படிச்சுட்டு அப்படி we were not like that, no?
Correct. இல்ல நான் அது it's not about scoring marks or it's not about படிக்கிறதுன்றது இல்ல. It is more about identifying exactly what you want to do at down the line. எந்த லைன்ல என்ன பண்ணலாம், awareness is pretty much இப்போ required. ஏன்னா 20 years back it is little different compared to now. இப்போ எல்லாருமே engineering has become a normal degree, right? So you have to get one notch up. It's better to get little early wake up.
So I just wanted to start with the question. So you told, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
You told your company Eximius is basically working on the physical design.
Eximius is a company where we have 1,000 plus employees. We are into VLSI as well as embedded software.
Okay.
In the VLSI, we have all the domains what I have put across in the slide. It's not only into physical design. We are into
Okay.
RTL, design verification, analog, circuit design, layout design, physical design, end to end, everything. But being in the service industry, we work for all the clients. We work for Intel, Qualcomm, Google. So LRCO, we partner with everyone.
Okay. So what about the placement opportunities for freshers who complete just pass out of their degree in your company?
It is there. We go out, we still hire freshers.
Yeah.
But எங்களோட மாடல் being in the services industry, services industry என்னன்னா we need more people as well as we need that the basic know how we expect. அதனால most of the time what we prefer is in the trained people who are already aware of the work nature. That is our first preference. So now we are coming up with some model where how we to partner with institutions, and so there are revenues, there are opportunities. People can reach out to me. They can. There is careers at eximiusdesign.com where they can always post their profiles. Now placement we have not done a big time campus placement except for couple of times. So in the last 2-3 years now. But down the line we are planning more. Comes, I will also inform.
Okay. Offering any internship for the students?
It is there, Santi. I think we are maybe may not be this year. We were running this for last 3-4 years. We have done internship. There is a lot more awareness here in Bangalore and people who are in and around. So most of the time we get to observe people in the nearby places. Now we can start. The way we have grown is more with the experienced people and less with juniors. Now we have the room to start our interns more.
Okay, Arun, thank you. So I have started the question session. I think students will also join.
Sure.
Hello, guys. It was so clear. யாருக்குமே questions இல்லையா? ரொம்ப தெளிவா சொல்லிட்டாரா சார்?
இப்போ curriculumல we have some courses, ma'am. Already VLSI பத்திலாம் நிறைய there is lot of
VLSI course இருக்கு அருண். ஒரே ஒரு கோர்ஸ் தான் இருக்கு VLSI. Earlier we had ASIC வச்சிருந்தோம் கோர்ல. பட் ஆனா யூஜி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸால அதை ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியல. ஸோ we found it really difficult. அதனால கோர்ல இருந்து எடுத்த ASIC எலக்டிவ்க்கு கொண்டு போயிட்டோம். ஸோ இப்போ ஒரு VLSI கோர்ஸ் இருக்கு. பட் பிஜி கோர்ஸ் இருந்ததுனால we had Synopsysல ஒர்க் பண்றாங்க. பட் தட் பார்ட் Xilinxும் Tannerம் யூஜி லேப்ல யூஸ் பண்றோம். Maybe I'll send you the syllabus of VLSI course, Arun.
Sure.
You can help us out. வேற ஏதாவது அதுல இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணணுமா என்ன அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா, ஏன்னா இப்போ 2018க்கு VLSI syllabus frame பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். Maybe soon after the session I'll send the mail. If you have some time, just give your சஜஷன்ஸ் இந்த டாபிக் வச்சுக்கலாம், இது தேவையில்ல, அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது கொடுத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இட் வில் பி குட்.
Sure.
இல்ல சப்போசிங் லைக் ஆஸ் யூ செட் இல்ல, உங்களுக்கு நீங்களும் ஃப்ரெஷர்ஸ் எடுக்கிறீங்க அப்படின்னு, ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும்னு நீங்க நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அதை we can design it as a course and just offer it as an elective. So maybe students who are really interested, even if it is 15 people also, we offer the elective. So அவங்க எடுத்தாங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த குரூப்பை மட்டும் we can try them out. We discussed earlier இல்லையா, whether we can try it offline, officially போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி.
Sure. We'll do that one.
Internship கலாம். Maybe
come down and sit across. We'll plan something for that.
That actually we have to put it across in the BOS now. Maybe என்ன அப்படின்னு என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா we'll just draft it and send it to you, and if it is okay na, just we'll see if somebody takes now, we can go ahead. It's going to be an elective after all. We can try that. The one thing, as you told, no, like you should know what you want. That is the thing there.
Correct. It's a very tough thing to do during the college days. It's very easy to tell after 20 years. அதான் நான் பசங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன், it's very very easy to tell after 20 years. கண்டிப்பா காலேஜ் டைம்ல we will not be in a position to even if you ask me, அதான் நான் எதிர்பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன், somebody will come and ask, நீ காலேஜ்ல இருக்கும்போது what you were thinking, which domain you wanted to go in. Absolutely no clue. நான் காலேஜ்ல இருக்கும்போது I was not even thinking about a job or even anything to get settled in life, right? I know இங்க 180 பேர் கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கீங்க. For sure I know out of 180 170 will be like that, or 150 will be like that. And I know couple of people and the time la in the college time la, people will be looking forward only to score marks, do well in the exams, or they will be having an fun time altogether all 4 years. There won't be any, I have seen at least, but it's different in Bangalore or Chennai. The people are looking forward things differently. Namma college la irunduchu, there were people who immediately jumped over GRE, TOEFL. There are a lot of people who started doing it, computer science, electronic, namma class la they were doing it. But avangalukku that is only to frame the next level of academics, not towards a job. Job oriented பண்ணதுன்றது very few people. So ரெண்டு விஷயம், இந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸ்போஷர் கிடையாது. We never had anybody coming and talking to us from the industry. இதெல்லாம் பண்ண or industry was also not that great. அப்போ இருந்ததெல்லாம் it is very limited in the software. So preparation was more towards the government exams and BSNL exams, and so it is obvious அந்த டைம்ல இருக்காது. But இப்போ அப்படி இல்லை. I think we are having a bigger market outside. It's pretty much required now to have that know-how. So
and
along with the fun
competition
part,
is also high.
Very high, very very high. Anala, I think what people should do is third year lende, if they have an option to do internship, they should come and hunt in Bangalore to get the internship in some of the organization, any organization, right? Inga there is lot of avenues. Many companies are willing to open up to get people on board. You don't need to get some we need not associate money towards it. It is more about the experience what we gain. So internship with no pay is pretty much fine. We should not shy away. That gives a big exposure. இது நம்ம காலேஜுக்கு ஃபீஸ் கட்டுற மாதிரி நினைச்சிட்டு பெங்களூர்லயோ இல்லை சென்னையிலயோ, I think it's okay to spend some money and sit there. கிடைக்காது. அப்படி கிடைச்சதுனாக்கா I think we have to put more effort towards it to get those internship. Then if they taste way early about the corporate, the way things are getting done and what they need to do, the final year will be different for them. So third year, other than the Bitsleo, any premier institutes, they do it. Third year, they have an internship. Fourth year, they have an internship. So the third year, they get that first exposure and they understand what is required in the industry. நம்ம புக்குக்கும் இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்கும் எவ்வளோ தள்ளி இருக்குன்றது வந்து they can decide. And they can also get that awareness of what they need to do in the next 1 year. அப்போ the fourth year people really become more matured அந்த பசங்கள்லாம். So and they plan things differently. I don't know how much effort people are putting in reading the IEEE papers for that matter. எவ்வளோ தூரம் இதெல்லாம் பண்ண மாட்டோம். என்ன கேட்டிருந்தாலும் நானுமே பண்ணதே கிடையாது. Till I get into the industry, till I spend 4 years, and till I get a push from the organization that you have to do it. So இதெல்லாம் எப்போ வரும்னா some push has to happen. When that some push has to happen, they have to get into this internship kind of environment. Once on the pressure cooker குள்ள போய் உட்கார்ந்தாங்கன்னா they will start realizing things differently. They will start seeing things differently. Adukku we have to make some avenues. I'll try from my side whatever I can, at least if not for everyone, maybe ஒரு 2 பேருக்கு வந்தா கூட அந்த 2 பேர் will make a difference in another 10 people within the organization. And அதுக்கு வந்து it's not only the college. I think an individual as a student, even avangaloom they have to put a lot more effort to get it. So that is more important. அது பண்ண I think we get into the game way early. அதுக்கப்புறம் the seriousness pitches in. I think fun is one side. அது கண்டிப்பா தேவையே தேவை. After getting into the industry, you don't get to see the other side of the life. But அதே சமயத்துல to get into industry, there is a bare minimum effort that is required. அதை போடாம இருந்துடக்கூடாது. So luck doesn't favor everybody like it did to me, right? Ellarum cannot start something after having a arrears of 24 paper 30 paper வச்சிட்டு பெருமையா நான் வேலை வாங்கிட்டேன்னு சொல்றது வந்து maybe hardly 1 in 100. But the struggle what he will be going through over the period of time is lot more than a person who have done well in the academics அதுக்கப்புறம் வேலை வாங்குறது. So let's not take it light, and the internship and things will make a difference. அது வந்து பசங்க if they start realizing it and then start working towards it, it makes big difference.
Questions, students, do you have? Raghu, is somebody trying?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
All
And
good.
actually, Arun, yeah, who is speaking?
Hi, sir. Good morning. I'm Ramya from AC department.
Yeah, Ramya.
Sir, is there any open source tool in VLSI?
Sorry?
Is there any open source tool in VLSI?
Lot of contents are there. Konja nanjam illa. I think you have plenty in the Google. If you know how to type in Google, you can be a master in VLSI. So if you want, I can share some of the links. There is enough content there. Maybe I have a lecture series as well. I can share next time to ma'am. She can also share it to the team.
Sure.
I think we have the regular NPTEL or course content. VLSI is there. Kamakoti is one of the professors VLSI course. Pretty interesting. If you நீங்க அதெல்லாம் போய் பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்கா I think அது you just need to blindly go over it. அது பார்த்தாக்க எல்லாம் புரியுமா அப்படின்னாக்கா that is next thing. Only when you apply things you will realize. அதுக்காக நம்ம படிக்காமே இருக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. You just need to go over it. அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க காலேஜ்ல இருக்க சினாப்சிஸ் டூல போய் பாத்தீங்கன்னா you will see things differently. It will make lot more sense to you. So the NPTEL courses are pretty good ones. You can go and see that. IIT Kharagpur's course இருக்கு. அது தவிர அது இல்லாம there are many VLSI enthusiasts who are there in the web domain. நிறைய portals இருக்கு where there are lot of explanations are given. You can go there. Once you start digging and getting to know, you will see lot more things in the website. Yeah.
She is asking for an open source tool around
Open source tool இருக்கு. இல்ல open source tool இருக்கு. I think but you will not have a PNR tools for sure. நான் உங்களுக்கு open source tool வந்து I can share it.
Okay.
I'll see if I can get the links. We are not supposed to use it, but there are tools which can do a very basic, that is very good enough, very much will give you what is required at that level.
Any more questions?
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, myself Aishwarya from final year, sir. Other than C, what language can be used for HTML, sir? That is for front-end design.
Other than C?
C language.
See, இப்போ வந்து there are lot of system Verilog. You have the system Verilog has been so refined. You can use system Verilog. I am not the right because I don't work into that domain particularly. Nalaki there is a session. Please do attend, and that is a guy whom you need to ask in depth if you want to understand. Rajesh is the person. He can give you a lot more insight to it. Because I am not into hardcore into that particular area of expertise. So,
but it's a part of
general,
physical.
Sorry, yeah, go ahead.
Sir, is it a part of physical design or it is something else?
It is a part of. It's not part of physical design. It's a part of VLSI where that is the first step, right? I don't know. Finally, there were people who are writing VHDL code. It's not that now, right? That's the first step to start with. And the RTL code we start the synthesis, and then followed by place and route, and then we go for fabrication, right? So RTL and design verification is the very first step to start with. So அங்கதான் வந்து the hardcore non-circuit understanding is required. The digital concepts are required only in RTL and the verification. The verification is more software centric. அங்க வந்து we need to understand the application oriented know-how should be more. For example, என்ன மாதிரி application we are getting this IC manufactured. So mobile chipset you need to know about the CPUs, you need to know about the modems, you need to know more about the interface part of it, SerDes, or you need to know more HDMIs and SerDes develop mobile, but then DDRs, memory interfaces, networking processors are the SerDes, very high speed interfaces. So that's the other side of it. Coming back to your question, if still Verilog and VHDL are the basic languages that you need to know. Over and above, there are other languages which aids or to make it even more sophisticated. So, and the details you can ask the person who is going to present tomorrow.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any more questions? Actually, we are trying to push the students because it has become autonomous around, Like for every paper presentation, they go outside and do it in the college and come back, and internal mark is awarded for them.
Okay.
It is actually now internal 50 and end semester 50. So in that we try to push them one presentation compulsory instead of assignment.
Okay.
And then if you see, they go for internships in the third year, and
Okay.
both technical companies and these Indian Academy of Sciences offer some summer research fellowships with the paid stipend also. We try to push them. And if it is 6 weeks of internship, no, it can be taken for 2 credits. That is permitted by AICTE, which means they can actually need not take one elective course.
Okay.
So that is also being given to them. And AICTE has made it mandatory that everybody should have minimum 6 months internship before completing the course.
Good.
So push is there now. A lot of push is there.
Then
But,
makes sense. I think number time it was more of an industrial visit became a tour. அது மாதிரி ஆயிடக்கூடாது அவ்வளவுதானே தவிர.
It is only industrial visit, going in the morning and coming in the evening nowadays. No staying at all. கேட்டுட்டே இருக்காங்க பசங்க, எல்லா காலேஜும் 2 நாள் போறாங்க 3 நாள் போறாங்க அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு. இண்டஸ்ட்ரி கோ கம் பேக்.
அது இருக்க வேண்டியதான். That can be a separate part of it. Industrial visit is nothing. அது பிரச்சனை இல்ல. But what I'm saying is internship people can take it seriously. அது I think that gives a lot more advantage. And so early realization, அது வந்ததுன்னா it will be good. People will realize faster that what effort that is required to get into the industry or to survive in the industry.
Any questions, guys? వికాస్ వచ్చిందా? ఓకే, కలకలదా.
Okay, if it would have been a physical presentation, question கேட்டு வாங்கியிருப்பேன். Unfortunately, being at a webinar, it's good.
I don't know why people are keeping. Maybe you have done it so good, Arun. எல்லாம் தமிழ்ல சொன்னதுனால பெர்ஃபெக்ட்டா எல்லாமே புரிஞ்சிடுச்சு போல. So
hello sir.
By the way, நீங்க ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணதுனால சொல்றேன். I want it to be a lot more comfortable communication rather than getting it more of anyway நான் பேசுறது இங்கிலீஷ் anyway we have to use it in the other way around. Here I just want to convey the message. போய் சேர்ந்துச்சுன்னா பரவாயில்ல. அதனால I made a point to make it in Tamil.
That was really good. Somebody has a question there, I guess.
Hello sir, I'm Sivaranjan from 3rd year sir.
Yes, Sivaranjan.
Sir, internships எல்லாம் வந்து நிறைய பெய்ட்ல தான் சார் இருக்கு. நம்ம பே பண்ண போற மாதிரி, பே பண்ணி உள்ள போற மாதிரி.
Okay. See, Sivaranjan, again, நான் என்ன சொல்லுவேன்னா, if it is affordable, if it is not really pinching the pocket, don't even think of paying that money. That is, Anna, I don't think a lot of people are are asking money. அதே சமயத்தில் make sure that you are getting into a genuine company. There are organizations where they just run only for getting your money, where you will not get to know anything. அது வந்து it is lot more in Bangalore. There are people who have started companies, hardly they do anything within the company. For example, the services what they run or the training institutes what they run, they claim that they will give some work, but adala nadakadu. There is nothing that they have anything like. So you have to be watchful as well. If there are a lot of other companies as well where they make it a mandatory as a paid internship in order to make the seriousness. It's not the same industry which was there earlier 10-15 years back. Now even in the industry, it's highly competitive, and the business are run in a different model altogether. So the business are becoming very lean and mean. Obviously, they count every penny these days. It's not the way it used to be as a uh, uh, seen as a IT is a job where people throw money. It's no more that kind of a environment at this point of time, right? Because enough organization have come, enough people have come, enough competition has come, enough resources are there in the market, and there is enough things to choose and pick now. Earlier, engineer community was less. There is a dearth on the availability of resource. Now it is not that way. We have huge talent pool. We have lot many people to pick and choose. So now slowly it has become a paid internship. If it is a right place, you get that paid internship. Don't think twice to get into it. Most of the companies who do be it software or being it in the core domain, if they run a business with if they don't charge you too much, it's well and good. Anything less than exorbitant, if there is no ask, I think you should jump and take that opportunity. You will get that exposure, but you have to be very, very choosy. Cannot be blind, because people are there out here to waiting for this business to also thrive, right? Internship moloma or Akasa Vachite, they are running business. So you have to be very careful about it.
That's actually true, Arun. We also have a lot of problems in choosing the companies, because AICT, as I told you now, has made it mandatory for internships, and they have also listed companies in their website. But in spite of it, we could see a few companies don't do anything but collect money from the students. And we ourselves have not much clue of which is okay and which is not okay. Because it is in the AICT website, we just can't take it for granted that it should be good. There also we have troubles.
Okay, ma'am. The better way to approach this is, if you have a placement cell down, I think if they can mark all the organization, the placement cell need not be approaching the companies only for the placement purpose. They can always go hunt for all the internship work, right? So when you list down that, for sure you will get to know which is the right place to get in and which is not. But it's a little tricky one. There are companies where they just do only internships. In the sense, I can see very well. They only promote internship and then they get the money. They don't do anything. They leave the people to be on their own. Obviously, they don't gain anything, and the exposure they will not gain. The entire purpose of that internship is getting beaten up. But there can be a prescribed way of getting the right company and get who are serious about getting this internship. We use the internship in a very, very reasonable way. We don't, earlier we were not making it as a paid, but we don't pay. It's a no pay internship is what we call, where people can walk in and get themselves equipped, and we don't train them as well. We give them the opportunity to work along with the other engineers out there. They can learn. We give some tasks to them. They can work along with the people. The entire the tools and the environment is completely available for them. The only thing which will not be there is the pay part of it, or the tutoring part of it. They have to learn. So this is only to enable them to have the feel of the work and the environment, and to have the uh, understand the nuances of the industry compared to the what they are thinking. So அந்த 3 மாசத்துல if there are people who really use that opportunity, start contributing towards our project, uh, that we have seen. They will be there only for 6 months, but they would have done a lot more work compared to that of the people who are in the job, right? On job la irukka aatkal kuda, they would have not done that kind of a work. The thought process are different. The people are good. It comes with the individuality. So அப்படி பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா, you we identify people, we offer them by the time they leave us, and that gives a big breakthrough for those folks. And fourth year they go out, they have a bigger confidence boost once they get that, and they may join, or they for that reason, when we leave out such kind of offers, only 30% of them join us. Rest 70 get better offers, and the exposure makes a lot of difference, right? But எங்களுக்குள்ள ப்ராப்ளம் என்னன்னா, we don't do it in volumes. இப்போ we still run in single digit. We don't do too much. Again, it comes with the cost. It comes with the cost, so we cannot do it in volume. And that is another point. Genuine, whoever runs the internship, any organization, they don't do it in volume, except for the bigger companies. The bigger companies, they have this model for their uh, hiring process itself. This is one of the model what they have. So they do it. Chinna companies, whichever it is running, any small organization of 50 to 100 employee strength, they don't engage anything beyond a single digit number on the internship.
I understand. So it's actually, as you say, I think as far as ECE is concerned, somebody in the department has to take care of, check for the companies, and then only we can take it forward, I guess.
I think
because,
yes. It's, for the VLSI specifically, it's easy to do. The number of companies is not too many to really go around and identify. Maybe 50 to 60 companies. We can list it out. We can approach everyone, and people do it. And then அதிலிருந்து we can always, and the service companies are very much open to get into that model. They have the room also to do that. You can always do that.
We have to do something like that. We'll do our own.
Sure.
Anyway, because it having become mandatory, even students also absolutely have no idea. Most of the students are in and around KSR only, like Salem, Mathur. They come as day scholars. Their exposure is also very less, so we cannot force them also to find out. So I think we have to take the responsibility. We'll do that, Aaron. And in case we have any problem identifying a VLSI company, we'll get to you.
Please.
Whether it is okay or not.
I can always give you the list of companies as well. That's not a problem.
Okay. Okay, I think if no more questions are there, and it's a great pleasure talking to you this morning session, Aaron. And I once again thank you for having your time spent with us today. Thank you very much, and we'll get back to you, get in touch with you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Bye. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Arun.
Thanks, Vasudhi.
Bye.
Thank you, Arun.